Good day, this is Judian M. Javier and my topic is all about the concept of the cell theory. The unified cell theory states that all living things are composed of one or more cells. The cell is basic unit of life, and new cells arise from existing cells. Rudolf Virchow later made important contribution to this theory. Cell theory. The cell theory states that all biological organisms are composed of cells. Cells are the unit of life, and all life comes from pre-existing life. The cell theory is so established today that it informs of the unifying principles of biology. Cell theory. All living things are made up of cells. Cells are the smallest working units of living things. All cells come from pre-existing cells through cell division. The main concept of the cell theory. This finding led to the formation of modern cell theory, which has three main additions. First, the DNA is passed between cells during cell division. Second, that the cells of the organisms within a similar species are mostly the same, both structurally and chemically. And finally, the energy flow occurs within. This finding led to the information of the modern cell theory, which has three main additions. First, that DNA is passed between cells during cell division. Second, that the cells of the organism within a similar species are mostly the same, both structurally and chemically. And finally, that energy flow occurs within cells. 5 main points of cell theory. All living things are made up of cells. Cells are the basic building of life. All cells come from pre-existing cells created through the process of cell division. Energy flow occurs within cells. Heredity information is passed from the cell to cell. 4 parts of modern cell theory. The first part, cell contain DNA that is passed cell to cell during cell division. Second part, cells are similar in chemical composition and reaction that maintain homeostasis. Third part, all basic chemical and psychological functions are carried out inside the cell. Fourth, cell activity depends on organelles with cell.